Politics, corruption, broken systems. What if we erased it all and let something smarter take over? What if we replaced politicians with artificial intelligence? Governments today are plagued by human flaws, corruption, bias, and inefficiency. But AI? It doesn't lie, doesn't take bribes, and doesn't play politics. Imagine a world where decisions are based on pure logic, data, and efficiency, not emotions or personal gain. Instead of elections, we install a global AI system, one that analyzes real-time data, solves crises before they happen, and optimizes policies for the greatest good. But absolute power, even in AI hands, could be dangerous. Is AI governance the ultimate solution to human failure? Or a dangerous step toward losing control over our own future? Comment below, would you want AI to govern the world? Why or why not?